50 real Spanish expressions by the best channel to learn Spanish. Let's start with everyday expressions. Number 1. Qué fuerte. Qué fuerte. Have two translations. You can say qué fuerte to a person who is like really strong, like oh my goodness, you are so strong, qué fuerte. But in this case, we are going to use it as a whoa or unbelievable. As an example, ¿ha vuelto con su ex? ¡Qué fuerte! Has she or he gone back to her ex? Wow, that's insane! Number 2. No me da la vida. No me da la vida. No me da la vida. Literally, life doesn't give me enough. But what it means? It means I have no time. I can't handle everything. That's me in this moment, actually. Oh, as an example, tengo 1000 cosas que hacer. No me da la vida. Tengo 1000 cosas que hacer. No me da la vida. I have thousands things to do. I don't have enough time. No me da la vida. Number 3. Qué pasada. Qué pasada. Meaning, that's amazing or that's awesome. As an example, ¿qué pasada de cámara te has comprado? ¿Qué pasada de cámara te has comprado? What an amazing camera you bought. Next one. Me apetece. Me apetece. Meaning, I feel like. I'm in the mood for. Really easy. As an example, me apetece una pizza. Me apetece, and the thing that you want. In my case, right now, una pizza. I'm hungry. Me apetece una pizza. Next one. Estoy a tope. Estoy a tope, meaning I'm overwhelmed or going full speed. As an example, hoy estoy a tope con trabajo. That can mean today I'm swapped with work, or that you are full in the work, you know, like, yeah, estoy a tope, like I'm going with everything with my work. Next one. Estoy hecho if you are a male, and if you are a female, you will say estoy hecha. Estoy hecho or hecha polvo. In my case, estoy hecho polvo literally means I'm made of dust, meaning I'm exhausted. I can't take it anymore. I'm tired. As an example, salgo de currar ahora. Estoy hecho polvo. I'm exhausted. By the way, currar. What means currar? Means work in Spain. So technically, the correct sentence would say salgo de trabajar ahora. I'm just finished work. But if you want to use like the street language here, you know, like from the hood, you will say currar. Salgo de currar ahora. So, next one, paso. It's like, paso. Meaning I'm not interested. Paso. Like, do you want to do something today? Nah, paso. Do you want to go to the zoo? Nah, paso. As an example, imagine a girl just ask you like, hey, ¿sales hoy? You would say, paso. Going out today? I'm not interested. Paso. More expressions. Tiene pinta de. Tiene pinta de. Literally, it has the look of, meaning it looks like. As an example, tiene pinta de que va a llover. Tiene pinta de que va a llover. It looks like it's going to rain. Tiene pinta. More expressions. Tal cual. Tal cual. Literally, just like that. Meaning, exactly. Example. Eso es lo que pasó. Tal cual te lo cuento. That's what happened. Just as I'm telling you. Eso es lo que pasó. Tal cual te lo cuento. Now, ¿me da buen o mal rollo? Depends. ¿Me da buen? It gives me good vibes, or me da mal rollo? It gives me bad vibes. Meaning, I get a good or bad feeling about it. As an example, esa casa me da muy mal rollo. Esa casa me da muy mal rollo. That house gives me a really bad feeling. Me da buen o mal rollo. Remember. Next one. Estoy liado. Estoy liado. But if you're a woman, you will say estoy liada. Estoy liado. Male. Estoy liada. Female. Meaning I'm busy. Literally, if you translate that literally, means I'm tangled. But it means that you are busy. As an example, hoy no puedo. Estoy liada. Hoy no puedo. Estoy liada. Next one. Ya ves. Ya ves. Literally, you already see. But the meaning is totally. Yeah, totally. I know. As an example, imagine that your bro just says like, hace calor hoy, bro. You can answer with, ya ves. Ya ves. Next one. De hecho. De hecho. Literally or fact. But the meaning means actually. De hecho. As an example, imagine that you are talking with a friend about another friend and you say, no vive aquí. De hecho, vive en Francia. No vive aquí. De hecho, vive en Francia. Next one. O sea. O sea. Meaning, I mean. As an example, el parque es ahora una reserva natural. O sea, no es posible entrar fuera del horario de visita. O sea, I mean, o sea. Another one. A lo mejor. A lo mejor. Literally, to the better. But the meaning is maybe. A lo mejor. Maybe. As an example, a lo mejor voy. Maybe I'm going. A lo mejor voy. Ir a su bola. Ir a su bola. That's a complicated one to explain. So meaning is do your own thing. So do your own thing, go your own way. As an example, imagine if someone is talking about another person and tells you, va a su bola. Va a su bola. What's the meaning? The thing that the person is trying to tell you is that the other person is doing his or her own thing, going his or her own way, marching to the beat of his or her own drum, something like that. Ir a su bola. More expressions. Dar la lata. Dar la lata literally means to give the can, but the meaning is too annoying. As an example, deja de dar la lata. Deja de dar la lata is like stop being annoying. Deja de dar la lata. Next one, meter la pata. Meter la pata. Literally put the paw in. But the meaning is to mess up. As an example, metí la pata. Metí la pata. I messed it up. Metí la pata. Oops. More expressions. Estar en las nubes. Oh, wait a second. This expression is familiar. Oh yeah, just because I did a YouTube short. Estar en las nubes. I'm sorry. I was like, I already told you this before. On a short. Never on a big video. So estar en las nubes literally means to be in the clouds. But the meaning is to daydreaming. Like to be on another galaxy. As an example, imagine that if someone just tell you, hey, hoy estás en las nubes. Hoy estás en las nubes. It's like, hey, today you are on the clouds. You're very distracted today. More expressions. Quedar. Quedar literally means to stay. And yeah, means to stay, or you can use it to meet someone. If you want to hang out with someone, you can say quedamos mañana. Quedamos mañana. Do you want to hang out tomorrow? More expressions. No me cuadra. No me cuadra. Literally, it doesn't square, but the meaning is it doesn't add up. As an example, eso no me cuadra. It's like, something is wrong here. No, eso no me cuadra. More expressions. Estar a gusto. Estar a gusto. Literally, be at pleasure, but the meaning is to feel comfortable. As an example, aquí estoy a gusto. I'm happy here. Estoy a gusto. If I count correctly, number 24, ni de coña. Ni de coña. Literally, not even joking. It's like, no way. Example, ir solo? Ni de coña. Going alone? Are you fucking kidding me? No way. Ni de coña. De locos. De locos. Literally means of crazy people, but the meaning is like, yeah, insane, de locos. As an example, ese precio es de locos. That price is insane. Estar petado. Estar petado. Literally be exploded. The meaning is packed. As an example, imagine that you are going to the bar and el bar está petado. The bar is full of people. You can't put more people inside there. It's full of people. Está petado. Next one, pillar. Literally to catch. And the meaning is to understand or get it. You can use pillar as catch you, like, hey, te pillé, I catch you. But on this case, it's to understand or get it. ¿Lo pillas? Do you get it? ¿Lo pillas? More examples. Ponerse las pilas. Literally, put the batteries in. And the meaning, get your act together. Get your act together. Example, ponte las pilas. Just put your batteries on, you need to uh, do it better. Ponte las pilas. That's the thing that I'm repeating to myself with the channel. It's like, oh, ponte las pilas with the channel. You can do it better, come on. Next one, ir tirando. Literally, go pulling. But the meaning, it's getting by. Example, imagine if someone just asks you, ¿qué tal? You can answer, voy tirando. Voy tirando. It's like, well, I'm not doing good, I'm not doing bad, I'm surviving. Voy tirando. Next one, nada que ver. Nada que ver. Literally, nothing to see with. Real meaning, totally different. Not related at all. How we use it? We use it to say two things are completely different or unrelated. As an example, esto no tiene nada que ver con lo otro. Esto no tiene nada que ver con lo otro. This has nothing to do with the other thing. Next one, a la mínima. A la mínima. Literally at the smallest. Real meaning, at the slightest thing. How to use it? When someone reacts very quickly or overreact. Example, a la mínima se enfada. A la mínima se enfada. What that means in English? He gets angry at the slightest thing. Next one, se me da bien o mal, depends. Literally, it gives itself well or badly to me. Real meaning, I'm good or bad at. How we use it? To talk about skills or abilities. Example, se me da bien explicar las cosas. I'm good at explaining things. Hope so, guys. Hope that I'm good explaining things because I have a YouTube channel teaching you Spanish. Next one. No tiene sentido. No tiene sentido. Literally, it has no sense. No tiene sentido. Real meaning, it makes no sense. It makes no sense. How we use it? When someone is illogical or doesn't add up. As an example, eso no tiene sentido. That makes no sense. Eso no tiene sentido. Another one. Venga, va. Venga, va. Literally, come on. Go. Real meaning, alright, let's do it. As an, how we use it? To finally accept or agree to something. As an example, venga, va, vamos. Alright, let's go. But you can use it to when you are surprised, imagine that your friend is telling you something like, for example, do you remember that girl? I just kissed that girl. Your friend can react with, oh, venga, va. It's like, are you kidding me? I don't believe it. Next one. A estas alturas. A estas alturas. Literally, at those heights. Real meaning, by now, at this point. How to use it? When something should already be know or done. As an example, imagine your teacher, you are in class and your teacher gets angry and tells you, a estas alturas ya deberías de saberlo. A estas alturas ya deberías de saberlo. Another one, ¿qué va? ¿Qué va? Literally, what goes? But the real meaning is not at all or no way. ¿Qué va? How we use it? To strongly deny something. As an example, ¿estás enfadado? ¿Qué va? Are you mad? Not at all. ¿Qué va? Not at all. ¿Qué va? Estar hasta arriba. Literally, be up to the top. Real meaning, extremely busy or full. Estar hasta arriba. How we use it? When we have too much work or too many things. As an example, estoy hasta arriba de trabajo. I'm extremely busy with work. Another one, me suena. Me suena. Literally, it sounds to me. The real meaning, it rings a bell. How we use it? When something feels familiar, but you're not sure. As an example, ese nombre me suena. That name rings a bell. Ese nombre me suena. More expressions. Hacer ilusión. Hacer ilusión. Literally means to make illusion, but the real meaning, to be excited about something or someone. How we use it? To talk about something you're looking forward to. As an example, me hace ilusión verte. I'm really looking forward to see you. Me hace ilusión verte. Another example if you want to understand it better. Me hace ilusión que llegue Navidad. Another one. No compensa. No compensa. Literally, it doesn't compensate. Real meaning is not worth it. How we use it? When effort is bigger than the reward. As an example, por ese precio no compensa. Por ese precio no compensa. A tomar por saco. A tomar por saco. Literally to take by the sack. But the real meaning, forget it or screw it. It's more screw it, you know, like screw it, a tomar por saco. How we use it? Informal and emotional. Way to reject something or someone. As an example, ese plan, vete a tomar por saco. Like that plan, just go to hell. Vete a tomar por saco. Another one, estar al loro. Estar al loro. If you translate that literally, be to the parrot. But the meaning is to pay attention. Hey, estate al loro. How we use it? To tell someone to stay alert. Example, estate al loro con eso. It's like, hey, pay attention to that. Estate al loro con eso. Ni tan mal. Ni tan mal. Literally, not so bad. And the real meaning, actually pretty good. How we use it? When something went better than expected. As an example, Imagine that someone asks you, ¿Qué tal el examen? ¿Qué tal el examen? You can answer, ni tan mal. It's like, pretty good actually, ni tan mal. De repente. De repente. Literally, suddenly. The real meaning, all of sudden. How we use it? When something happens unexpected. As an example, de repente empezó a llover. All of a sudden, it started raining. Tal y como. Tal y como. Literally, such and as. Real meaning, just as or exactly how. How we use it? To say something happened in the exact same way. As an example, a prediction. Todo pasó tal y como dijiste. Todo pasó tal y como dijiste. Everything happened just as you said. Todo pasó tal y como dijiste. Estar a gusto. Estar a gusto. Literally, be at the pleasure. But the real meaning is to feel comfortable, estar a gusto. How we use it? To express comfort or well-being. I use this all the time when I'm feeling good, like, how are you doing? Like, estoy a gusto. When you are in a place, and you want to express that you are fine at that place, you can say, aquí estoy a gusto. I feel comfortable here. Estoy a gusto. Ya me dirás. Ya me dirás. Literally, you will tell me. Real meaning, let me know. How we use it? After someone checks or decides something. Example. Míralo y ya me dirás. Míralo y ya me dirás. Check it and let me know. So, real common here in Spain, especially if you propose like a plan and the other person is like, I don't know, maybe I'm busy, blah, blah, blah. You can answer with, well, ya me dirás. It's like, just let me know, or you will let me know. Ya me dirás. Another one. No pinta nada. No pinta nada. If you translate that literally, means it paints nothing. But the real meaning is doesn't belong. How we use it? When someone or something is out of place. As an example, aquí no pinta nada. Aquí no pinta nada. He doesn't belong here. Aquí no pinta nada. He should go away. Aquí no pinta nada. Another one. A estas horas. A estas horas. Literally at those hours. But the real meaning is so late or early. Depends. It's for complaint or surprise. How we use it? To show surprise or annoyance about the time. To help you to understand it better, imagine that you are sleeping, it's like 5 in the morning, someone just calls you like, hey, come to a party. You can answer with, a estas horas? A estas horas? At this time, it's like, it's really late. And as an example, I put this one. ¿Me llamas a estas horas? ¿Me llamas a estas horas? You're ringing me at these hours? It's too late, or maybe too early. Who knows? Depends. Another one. Sin más. Sin más. Literally, without more. But the real meaning is nothing special. Use that. Nothing special, use that. How we use it? To don't play something. As an example, lo dije sin más. I just say it, nothing special, meh. Sin más. He's like, well, how was your exam? Sin más. You know, you just don't expect like a big result, a high result. It's like, sin más. Normal. And those are 50 Spanish expressions by Fluent AF Academy. Really hope that this video helps you. That's why I'm here. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share for more, and you have my email in case that you have some questions or you want to practice with a native completely free. I'm not going to charge you because, you know, fuck money. You have my email here. Feel free to text me. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.